Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how to download and set up the Netflix app from the Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 device. So this is going to be a very straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jumping into it. So we are going to start by opening up the start menu, and you just want to type in store into your menu. Best match should say Microsoft Store right above app. Just left click on that match one time to open it up. Now up at the top in the search bar you want to type in Netflix. Best match should say Netflix right above app. Left click on that. And now you want to left click on this blue get button right here. So just left click on that. It will begin downloading the app, so please be patient as we will take a few moments. Okay, so once it's done, you can pin it to the start menu if you would like to save it over there. And you can always left click on the open button here as well to open up the Netflix app. At this point, you should log into your account once you are set up, and that's pretty much it, and you should be good to go from there. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.